This is a stray dog, one among the luckiest lives in South Indian state Kerala, where stray dogs are cruelly tortured for no reason. She proudly lives among North Indian migrant workers who live 3 kilometers from Perumbavoor, where she is scavenging their eat-overs. She was due for delivery and expected to shelter in a ruined building, which was unexpectedly demolished and the nearby ground was entirely cleared. These poor migrants left one bush alive to protect the dog and shelter for her delivery. Under the palm house, she delivered 6 cute pups and all are well. The workers have taken extra care in food because she has to feed 6 pups. When the rain comes, they covered the shelter with plastic sheets. It's amazing and uncommon in Kerala. One among the puppies is a white and was missing. Its chances to suck was unnoticed for a few days. The white was lame and could not stand on 2 legs. The white, alienated from others and tried to feed separately, become failed. The pup don't have left lower angle on birth. Before reaching some medication, the white found dead in its shelter due to natural starvation. She has to think about the rest. Without sparing any time, she started feeding the rest to survive in this world. Unaware about what is death, the puppies are playing around while the carcass was lying inside the shelter. A neighbor lives close expressed her angst about the newcomers. On the very day, somebody stole one of the cute puppies while she was scavenging food. As the carcass was lying inside, the mother and pups spent outside on these days. Next day on 4th April 2018 around 5 in the evening under broad daylight. An uncertain fire broke out, engulfed the entire shelter in ashes in a few seconds. Initially skeptical about origin of the fire, a carelessly thrown cigarette butt causes the fire was ruled out soon. The fire was not spread from anywhere and the shelter was intentionally tossed to kill all the pups. Fortunately, a good Samaritan buried the carcass in their backyard before the fire. If the carcass was not lying inside, the entire pups would have burnt alive in this fire. This cruelty would not happen anywhere in this world but in Kerala. Similar incidents in Kerala shocked the world before.
Story of a protest that's taking place in Kerala, very different kind of protest, where the Kerala Congress Youth Wing took to the streets against the stray dog menace. They beat stray dogs to death, hung them by their legs on a pole and paraded their bodies around Kottayam. This is a shocking report.
इन लोगों ने 5 कुत्तों को मार डाला, फिर उनकी डेड बॉडीज को एक पोल पर बांधा और उस पोल को लेकर पूरे शहर में मार निकाला। समस्या कितनी बड़ी हो, नाराजगी कितनी भी ज्यादा हो, इस तरह का विरोध प्रदर्शन करने को ये इनह्यूमन तरीका है, इसे ठीक नहीं ठहराया जा सकता।
These poor people again extended their kind support for the emaciated mother dog. They provided another shelter adjoining their house for the dog family. Luckily, one mature pup was adopted so she could feed the rest well. Whatever may cat, she is undeterred and determined to sustain. Still impending persecution hovering around here.